peace, and guidance. Welcome to the Natural Mystic Medicine Man channel. This channel is dedicated to reestablishing human beings' relationship with nature. As our pre colonized ancestors taught us, we are not only interconnected with everything in nature, we are also interdependent with everything in nature. What's good for nature is good for us. That which is bad for nature is bad for us. So everything from the largest mountains to the microscopic must be respected as living organisms. No one knows the birth record of humanity. We've been on the planet Earth since time immemorial. We've learned that the Earth can be very hospitable as well as hostile, and life in this physical form is fragile. How were our ancestors able to survive such a hostile environment? They learned how to live in harmony with it. They learned the nature of all living things. So this means they learned what could be used to defend us from outside attack. But more than that, they learned what could be used to heal us from illness. Again, this channel is dedicated to helping us reestablish our relationship with nature. I'll talk to you soon. Peace and guidance.